Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between this Kidde carbon monoxide detector on the right, and this is the X-Sense smoke combination carbon monoxide detector. So this does two things, smoke detector and a carbon monoxide. The Kidde on the right, this is just carbon monoxide. Now both of them give you a readout that shows you, now the Kidde is a little bit easier to read. It shows you the CO, the carbon monoxide level in your house. Now we do have a display here on this also that's it's a little bit harder to read. Now both of them are going to flash a little green light at you every so often to let you know that it is operating normal. Yeah, you'll see just a little green flash here to let you know that this is it still has power and is working. When it's flashing red, that means you're in an alarm. Yellow means a fault. Over here, this one will flash red, but you also get an audible tone with each one. Now let's do the Kidde. I'm going to simulate a carbon monoxide alarm by pressing the test button. It's going to go into it. So 4 quick beeps, followed by some. That's carbon monoxide alarm from this one. And it's going to say the word pass. Or no, I think these just go out, sorry. Yep, it goes back to 0. All right, this one, we're going to press the test button. It's going to do two things. It's going to do the smoke alarm first. So you get 3 long beeps. That's a smoke alarm test. Now it's going to be immediately followed by carbon monoxide test. And then the word pass. Now both of them have a 10-year shelf life. After 10 years, you're supposed to get rid of the unit. Now the X-Sense, it turns itself on automatically. There's a switch here that gets activated when you install it on the bracket. You don't have a physical on-off button, but you do have to install it in this bracket. And as soon as you rotate it, it turns it on, activates that 10-year battery. Over here on the Kidde, it doesn't have a 10-year battery. The unit is 10-year lifespan, but you will have to replace these AA batteries every so often. I'm not sure exactly how long they're going to last, but you will have to replace those. After a while, you'll see the word end, and it'll be this end of the service life on the display, and you've got to replace the unit. Same with this one after 10 years. But on this one, you're never changing batteries. Now again, both of these are just battery operated. You don't plug either one of them in. Let's go over size. This one is definitely bigger. 5 3/4 and sticks out from the wall about 2 inches. This one is a little bit smaller, but just does carbon monoxide. 4.5 by about 3 and sticks out from the wall about 1.5 inches. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.